Good evening, everybody, and welcome. It is I again, your friendly neighborhood Bran Flakes. It's raining and I have some headphones to open, so let's go open these headphones. Alright, so here we go. It's the Heyday in all lowercase. By the way, if you're a graphic designer, quit it with the lowercase. It's cool, it was cool at first, but it really just looks dumb. But yeah, these are allegedly active true noise canceling, which is cool. These were $80. I'm actually kind of excited about it, and the box is really solid. We are actually seeing it for the first time together, so how about that? Just go ahead and open it. There's nothing to cut or anything. Oh, maybe there is something to cut. Very discreet here. There we go, that's a little easier. So we have everyone's favorite silica gel. Very nice. And we have this. I presume this is the cable. No further ado. Alright. It's always nice to see you, USB-C. Haha. Presentation is nice. Fancy schmancy. Or bougie, as the kids say nowadays. When's the last time you heard somebody say fancy? It's just been replaced. Happy, oh, hey there. Yeah, open up, nice. Got the matte and gloss. It looks cool now, but who knows what it'll look like in a week. Earwax and hair and all that fun stuff. It's tasty. They're pretty light, all things considered. You could probably hear the neighbor's air conditioning now, so that's good. These were $80, so they kind of have the weight of an $80 earbud. They're not super heavy like a Samsung. By the way, it doesn't feel like there's any buttons. It just feels like they're touch. I like the sheen on the earbud. It's pretty unique. I haven't really seen that on a lot of things. I think it's cool, even if it looks a little bit tacky. So I made the discovery on the back side, right next to the charge port, is a button. And these dim white lights came on in the front, as you can see there. Now, put it back in the thing. It looks like these are supposed to be lights. So let's plug it into my Anchor wall charger and power bank, which I will have a review on very soon. Here we go. We have it right here, the charge indicator. Nice faint red light. I like how they're not extremely bright. It's not going to blind you at night. I don't think you'd be able to see it very well in the daytime. Alright folks, so I've used these headphones for about a week and a half now, and I gotta say they're fine. The sound quality is pretty good. Nothing can ever compare to the sound of a pair of studio monitors like my Audio Technicas, but they sound pretty good. Another thing I want to say is that the sound of the pairing and when you take them out of the case is horrendous. Hear this, ready? This is a minor gripe, but just check this out. Hear that? I've had like JBLs and Sonys that sound beautiful. The JBLs make this beautiful guitar chord that just warms my ears. These sound really terrible, so let's hear it again. One other thing, this is an actual complaint I have for this thing. Check this out. So see on the inside there's 4 lights. You might think, oh boy, the case is 80% charged, right? I'm very sorry, sir. I'm afraid you're mistaken. I believe that this headphone operates on one battery and this headphone operates on a separate battery. The case has 2 batteries. Now that might not sound like a big deal, but that means, I think, if you can get 26 or 24 hours out of this, I don't know how long the earbud charge is supposed to last, but I feel like I'm charging these things every day. If you're like me where you'll use one side more than the other, like you'll use this side one day and this side the other day, you're going to be charging this thing at least once a day. Now, is it worth returning and getting your $80 back? I'm gonna go ahead and leave that up to you. Personally, I'm gonna return them because I'd rather get a $20 or $30 pair of headphones from Walmart that I know will work and not have to just deal with this thing that may or may not continue to charge for the rest of its lifespan. So the Heyday started off okay, but that 2 battery thing is a game changer. That also means that there's 2 different fail points, 2 different batteries that can go bad. So just bad news if that is the case. You tried Heyday, and we gotta say goodbye day. Thanks for watching, folks. Subscribe. Unfortunately, the rain has mostly subsided. They go in and out of your ear really easily. I've used some that have memory foam, and you kind of got to cram them in there. That's what she said, of course. But yeah, so that's that.